What is going on, everyone? Welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to initiate coverage on Campbell Soup Company, ticker symbol CPB. They trade on the New York Stock Exchange and their current price is $41.29. So yesterday during our live chat, I had a subscriber ask me to what my opinion was on 3 stocks. So what I decided to do was take my time over the next week, maybe week and a half, and make a video about each one of these to kind of give them a fair shot, a fair shake. So Campbell Soup Company is a stock that I used to track about maybe 5 or 6 years ago, and I have since dropped it off my watch lists, and I've kept it off my radar. And actually this was a good subscriber request because I haven't really looked or kept up with Campbell Soup in a while. So it was good to kind of get a refresher on this. I'm going to take you on the balance sheet to the specific reasons why I don't invest or don't track CPB anymore. And I'll start right here. The share statistics, the short percent of float's pretty high. The short percent of shares outstanding is about 10%, which I would be okay with that if this company was a little healthier. But down here at the bottom, this is the reason why I stopped tracking Campbell Soup right here. The balance sheet. So this company has $226 million of total cash, and look at this, $9.89 billion of debt. And that immediately I remembered why I never invested with Campbell Soup and why I have steered clear of this company for a while. However, there is a few good things. There is a couple good things. They do pay a really good dividend right here. Their forward annual dividend yield is 3.5%. So it would be a good dividend play if I had a little more faith in the stock. Let's jump over to the chart. So what we got here, guys, I got the 5-year chart pulled up on Campbell Soup. And as you can see, this stock has really gained no ground in 5 years. And as a matter of fact, it's actually declining quite a bit. So it looks like it got up to a high of around $66, $67 here about 2 years ago. And then it's been in free fall mode ever since. It's dipped down really low, got into the low 30s. And now it's recovered itself back up into the $40 range. I think what is really hurting this company, guys, is they're trying to rely too much on brand strength and way too debt heavy, cannot get their balance sheet cleaned up, and it is really taking a toll on the stock. Of course, here's the 1-year chart, and as you can see, it's just slowly declining. It's not right here, this big huge dip. Obviously, most investors could have made a nice little swing trade right here in this big dip, but I think, investor confidence was so low, nobody felt safe putting a lot of money or any type of money in this company. But there was a big opportunity to make a swing trade there because it has recovered back up to the 40s. So you could have got a good 20-25% return right there. Another thing to keep in mind, guys, there is no positive news really coming out for Campbell Soup. So Third Point will seek to replace the entire Campbell Soup board. So this is a hedge fund, guys, and they launched a proxy fight to replace Campbell Soup's entire board after it was underwhelmed by Campbell's plan to sell 2 business units. Going to replace the entire board. Obviously, that's another thing that's going to destroy investor confidence. And this too, guys, so the rumors about Kraft Heinz possibly trying to acquire Campbell Soup, there doesn't seem to be any meaningful interest behind it, like I said, because they would be inheriting so much debt and so much liability for a failing company. At best, Campbell Soup might be a good swing trade because right here in Q3 of 2018, they did have a small beat on EPS, but they missed on revenue. And then they had a big guidance increase going into Q4. So this might be a good swing trade candidate. You might see, if they beat expectations and they kind of outperform the blueprint here that's laid out for them, you might see the stock pop a little bit. But I'm not getting involved. Too debt heavy, guys. And like I said, This company is just a dead weight on any type of acquisition that's possible. So I don't really see the point of going any further with this analysis. I can't get over that loaded balance sheet, guys. So I'm rating Campbell Soup Company as a sell, and I'm giving them a $35 price target based off of fundamental weakness. However, I will offer you an alternative if you want Campbell Soup in your portfolio on some level. If you want some exposure to it, there's an Invesco ETF, and the ticker symbol on it is RHS. And so you will get quite a bit of exposure to Campbell Soup, guys, and that ETF is performing very well over the past 5 years. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish everyone safe and happy investing this week, guys, and make sure to drop me a comment if you do hold Campbell Soup. I'd like to hear what you got to say about it. And as always, have a great day.